Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on your computer or device that is currently using Windows 10. So once you downloaded the Windows 11 iOS file from the Microsoft website, I'll show you where to get that from. So you gotta go to type in Windows 11 download, scroll down, look for download Windows 11. Have a look to make sure it's actually the Microsoft.com website. Click on that. Now you have the Windows 11 installation assistant. So that's if you've have a device that meets all the requirements, you can use this step. Now in my particular case, I'm using a Metabox laptop and the CPU doesn't meet the requirements. I have to download this Windows 11 disk image. So select Windows 11, click on download, select the language, and then just confirm. Once it's downloaded, you go to the download file, right click and say mount. What this does, it mounts a drive here with all the files that is in the ISO file. Once it's extracted or mounted, click on setup. So I'm going to show you the issue that you experience if you don't run any extra updater files or little hacks. If you want to skip this, go to the next section. This will pop up. Click on next. I've also backed up my laptop, so I used Clonezilla to back up my laptop. So I created an image of the whole laptop just in case anything goes wrong. I'm able to recover it back to Windows 10. So it's going to go through doing the checking for the updates. And this process is going to take about 40 to 50 minutes roughly. So it's going to restart. Now it's checking the PC. The video will also cut off when it's going through the restarting and process, but I will show you what is happening. So this PC does not meet Windows 11 system requirement. It's not supported. So if you get this error message, we're going to look at how to fix it or force it to install Windows 11. So one of the options that you can use to force the install on Windows 11 that does not meet the system requirement. So the next option is to download a tool called Windows 11 Upgrade Tool from GitHub. I'll put a link in the description. So this is the site where it has the actual tool, Windows 11 Upgrade. I'm just gonna use the Windows 11 Upgrade English version. So select that and just download that. Now we need to extract this file. So just going to extract this file. We'll extract it here. Go into the folder. Just right click it and run it as an administrator. Let's see what happens now. If you see this Windows protected your PC, just click on more, run anyway. Then this window will pop up. I've already downloaded the ISO file, which is located in the same folder up here. So I'm just going to click on select Windows 11 ISO file. Select where I've downloaded it. Windows 11. We see this option here. I'm gonna do an upgrade just to test it out. You do have the option to do data only, where it will keep just the data, and then clean install, which will completely install Windows. Let's let it run and let's see if this works. This tool looks a bit more promising. Doing its thing. Okay, so it's getting the updates again. So it's a similar process that what it was doing before when I clicked on the setup.exe file after mounting the ISO file. But let's see if this goes through the next step. So now it's saying restarting Windows 11 setup. Similar window to what we had before. And this is roughly where it failed again, saying that it does not meet the requirements. Fingers crossed. Let's see if it gets through the next stage. It's doing something. There's a few pop-up windows that are coming up. There are a few command line windows that quickly popped up and closed again. Didn't really capture it. And now it's getting the updates, so it is progressing. So this tool, Windows 11 upgrade tool, seems to be doing its job. I'm just gonna let this run and see how far it goes, but it looks promising. It may also work if you've got an issue with the TPM 2.0 issue. But let's give this a try. This process is going to go through and get the updates, and it actually worked. So using the Windows update file, I was able to upgrade the Metabox laptop to Windows 11, even though it didn't meet the system requirements. Unfortunately, because the laptop had to restart, I wasn't able to capture the actual full process of upgrading it to Windows 11. Now keep in mind that the Windows 11 update tool that I just showed you is not an official Microsoft tool, so you need to use it at your own risk. As I mentioned before, I would recommend that you back up your whole laptop or computer using an imaging tool such as Clonezilla, which is free. Just in case anything goes wrong, you can easily recover your whole system like you had it before the upgrade. This is how Windows 11 looks like after you've done the upgrade. I'm going to show you just the settings that the upgrade was complete. So this is the system settings. If you go to Windows Update, I'm going to do a couple of updates. Also, I'm going to go and change the personalization of the desktop and the way Windows 11 looks like. So I'm just going to go with a dark theme. You will notice that the taskbar at the bottom, all the buttons are in the middle now, rather than having the start button on the bottom left hand corner. Now it's more centered with all the other icons. So these are some of the new themes. I will call them themes. It basically changes the way the Windows looks like. I might stick with the dark theme. I might give that a try. That's it. This is how to upgrade to Windows 11 if your PC or computer doesn't meet the system requirements. If this video helped you in any way, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.